How to add funds to Hankotrade. Hankotrade deposit tutorial. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into your Hankotrade account. This is what your home page will look like. So you can see over here that on the left hand side you have your toolbar, and you can collapse that and open that as you please. So the first thing you want to do is go down, and you're going to see that there is a deposit tab over here. Now once you tap on the deposit tab, you'll have many different options. Now let me just note that you do need a live account to do so. If you haven't got a live account, then you can just tap on the add live account. So what you're going to do over here is you're going to first of all select your trading ID. So that is this ID over here. So from here, you're going to see that you have your current balance, which of course is 0 at this point, and the account currency, which is USD. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and we are going to select the deposit currency. So right over here, you can now go ahead and you can select whichever currency it is that you would like to deposit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap on the Bitcoin over here. And once you do so, you can tap on proceed. From here, you can see you get a code. Now, this code over here, once you tap on copy, what's going to happen is you're going to take this code and you're going to put it into your cryptocurrency wallet in the send section. And you know, this could be any wallet that you decide you want to use. You can use Coinbase, that's normally a good one. And then you can go ahead and you can also, if you are using one on your mobile device, you can use your QR code scanner and you can just scan this. And what will basically happen is it'll take this code and it will process this deposit. And once this deposit has actually been made, you can go ahead. It might take some time depending on what platform you're using. You can go and tap on track your deposit and it'll actually show you where your deposit is in the process. There you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers for now.